Hello, today we will guide you through how to update Zoom app on PC. If you want to make sure your Zoom app is running smoothly and has the latest features and security improvements, updating it is a good idea. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Microsoft Store on a Windows PC to check for and install the latest version of Zoom. To begin, open Microsoft Store on your computer. If you don't already see it available, press the Windows key on your keyboard or click the search bar at the bottom of your screen. This will let you quickly search for apps installed on your PC, including the Microsoft Store. Once the search is open, type in Microsoft Store. When it appears in the search results, open it. Give it a moment to load fully, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. The store needs to connect properly before you search for any app updates. After Microsoft Store is open, go to the search area and type Zoom. This will bring up results related to the Zoom app. Make sure you choose the correct Zoom listing from the results, so you're opening the official app page. This is important because you want to update the actual Zoom application installed on your computer. Click on the Zoom result to open its app page. On this page, Windows will show you whether an update is available. If a newer version is ready to install, you should see an update button displayed on the Zoom result page. Go ahead and click Update. Once you do, Microsoft Store will begin downloading and installing the latest version of Zoom automatically. During this part, it's best to keep the store open and wait for the process to finish. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. When the update is complete, Zoom should be ready to use with the newest improvements available for that version. If the update button doesn't appear, that usually means your app is already up to date, so there's nothing else you need to do. And that's it. By opening Microsoft Store, searching for Zoom, selecting the app, and clicking Update when available, you can quickly keep Zoom current on your PC. This helps improve performance, compatibility, and overall reliability whenever you use the app for meetings, calls, or collaboration.